Hello everyone, so today's video we will talk about the Apple Notes, and I would like to show you the way how to save your notes on your Apple Notes into the PDF format. So the first thing you have to do is just slide your screen into the left side until you open the app library, and then you just need to type in the search button here, Notes. And right after that, you just need to go click the application. Now the next thing you need to do is just open the documents or the notes that you want to save into the PDF form. And here I already have one. The next thing you need to do, just take a look on the top right corner. There will be two options here. You just need to go click this square with the arrows that's facing into the upper side. Go click it, and now you just need to scrolling up until you got the save to files or print. There will be the two option. You can just do this way instead, but then you can also do this. Go click this print, and you just need to go click this square with arrows face upper, and then you just need to go click save to files. And here you just need to pick the folder that you want to save it, and you just need to go click save. And now you just need to go back into your home screen and open the files, and you will got this documents already in the PDF form. So that is the way how to save your notes into a PDF form. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.